Petronet LNG as Mr. R.K. Garg, who's the Director of Finance, joins in to throw more perspective as there is expectation that the government may increase LNG imports, what that means materially for the company and also their expansion plans which are on the anvil. Mr. Garg, thanks very much for speaking with us. What kind of additional volumes do you see ahead of yourself on knowing that local supplies will be low and demand remaining strong?
As you are aware that we are operating our Dahej terminal above the nameplate capacity. Actually, the last year we have total throughput was around 108%, and the same trend is continuing this year. We have a constraint because we can't do much beyond a particular level. The capacity of the Dahej terminal would be expanded over a period of time. We are already building second LNG berth, which will be ready by the end of December 2013. And we have already started an expansion plan of the Dahej going from 10 to 15 million ton. So there is a time lag now. Currently we can operate only at a level at the Dahej, currently our capacity. But on the other side, if we see our Kochi terminal is getting ready this year, by the end of this year, and we'll be having again certain volumes coming out from Kochi terminal. So considering the demand is good, though yes, you are right, the domestic production is down, we will do our best whatever we can supply to the market.
Right. What's the outlook as far as spot cargoes are concerned? First half of this year, how many spot cargoes do you see Petronet doing?
Actually, the number of spot cargoes are not that important. Important is that we are doing above the nameplate capacity. You know that we are having 7.5 million ton of LNG long term that continuously keeps on coming to our terminal. In addition, the GAIL and GSPC, they bring their own tolling cargoes to our terminal, and we also buy spot and short term cargoes. We have the short term volume over 1 million ton that we are importing. In addition to that, we buy spot cargoes also. So as and when there is an opportunity and there are slots available at terminal, we buy spot cargoes. Idea is to use the capacity to the maximum and give gas to the consumer as we can give, the maximum we can give it.
Mr. Garg, while your stock price did react to both the reports that came in from PNGRB stable, I'm guessing that the regulation or the non-regulation thereof would not have had any impact on Petronet LNG per se, right?
You are right, because our business model is different, you know, that we do long-term sales, and the long-term sales, it is a back-to-back sale going from the supplier to the buyer, and we don't add any marketing margin into it, because this is the controversy and debate is going on marketing margin. There is a small volume of spot cargoes that we import, where again we give a bundled price and there is not big marketing margin as such. So in our view, the regasified LNG is different than the natural gas being produced domestically, where this debate has started. And the matter, as we have heard from the media, that has referred back by PNGRB to ministry back for seeking certain clarification or more powers. I think it will go under again review, but as far as Petronet LNG is concerned, we have no concern of these kind of situations are happening otherwise.
Okay, a couple of risks that have been cited, and we'll talk about that, Mr. Garg, but just an update really. I believe you're discussing selling stake in the Gangavaram port in Andhra Pradesh. What's the update there? I mean, what kind of investors are you talking with, and what's the amount of stake that you'd be looking to offload?
Actually, we have just identified the location of our new LNG terminal. That is a place called Gangavaram, and there is already a Gangavaram deep port, a private port is already there. So we wanted to build an LNG terminal within that port, and we have agreed a binding firm term sheet with the Gangavaram Port Limited for building the LNG terminal and related activities. That particular terminal, there is a possibility that we will be building under SPV. And once we build a terminal under SPV, there is a possibility that any strategic investor, if you wanted to come there, then we'll be looking into that kind of investor. But as of date, we have not yet finalized our full business model, and then we will complete the business model, then we'll be able to tell you some more details.